Hello, welcome to NETVN channel. Your computer uses MBR and you want to convert to GPT without losing data. What should you do? Here I have a Windows 11 computer using MBR. I will show how to convert to GPT without data loss. First of all, open a command prompt with administrative privileges. To convert, you use the command MBR to GPT. If your computer has multiple hard drives, you need to determine which hard drive you want to convert. In this case, my Windows computer has only one hard drive. To determine the hard drive you want to convert, open Disk Management to check. So the hard drive has been converted from MBR to GPT. You open Disk Management and check the results. But to boot this Windows 11 system, you need to set up BIOS in UEFI mode. I will go into this computer's BIOS and set the system to UEFI as above. I have shown how to convert from MBR to GPT. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.